In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog post in WordPress with Elementor. By the end, you'll know how to place a dynamic list of your latest posts on any page and fine-tune how it looks and behaves. Start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click Pages to see your list of pages. Find the page where you want your blog posts to appear, hover over its title, and choose Edit with Elementor. This opens the Elementor editor with your page preview in the center and the widget panel on the left. Give it a second to load. You'll know you're ready when you can drag widgets into the page. Inside the Elementor editor, look to the left panel and search for a Posts widget. Depending on your setup, this may be called Archive Posts, Post Grid, or simply Posts. If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar at the top of the panel and type Posts. Click and drag the widget into the exact area of your page where you want your blog feed to appear. Drop it into an existing section or between sections wherever it feels most natural within your layout. You should instantly see a list of your posts appear as a preview. Next, configure the widget settings in the left panel. Under the Content tab, open Layout to control columns, number of posts, pagination, and card structure. Use Query to decide which posts display. Filter by categories or tags, set the order and source, and exclude anything you don't want shown. In Image, pick the thumbnail size that balances clarity with performance. Under Link Options, decide how links open and whether to use nofollow when appropriate. Switch to the Style tab to refine the design. Under Item, adjust spacing, alignment, and card appearance. In Image, set aspect ratios, borders, and hover behavior. Metadata lets you style details like author, date, and categories, and meta position defines where those details sit relative to titles and excerpts. Use content to set typography and colors for titles and text, hover card to control interactions, and read more to style the button or link that drives clicks. In the Advanced tab, fine-tune layout and spacing with margin and padding, add motion effects like subtle fades or parallax, and use transform, background, border, and mask for creative touches. Responsive lets you tailor settings for desktop, tablet, and mobile, so your posts look great on every device. Attributes and custom CSS are there if you need granular control. When you're happy with the design and settings, click Update or Publish in the top right corner. Your changes are now live, and your page will display your latest posts exactly how you configured them.